Hey y'all, it's your girl Tootie and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing this wig from Wiggins Hair. This is a 13x4 HD lace wig. The wig is 24 inches and it came pre-bleached, plucked, curl, and parted. Just by taking the wig out of its packaging, I was so amazed. The curls were bouncy and the lace was already looking like scalp. I love that the wig came with this elastic band for extra security. Usually when I'm doing a wig install, I have a braid down, but this time I did not. I don't know how to braid down, unfortunately, so I had to put my hair in a low ponytail. I took the edge brush and some even spray to lay my hair back so no flyaways will be in the way. And I used my blow dryer to make the process faster. Now all of your hair should be pushed back and out of the way. I take my HD wig cap that the wig actually came with, y'all. This wig cap was real HD, like y'all can see. I took my hair that was in a ponytail and I pushed it up kinda, and I put the HD cap on top to like get it out of the way. This part is very optional, but I take the Ruby Kisses cream foundation and put it on the lace of the wig. This ensures you get that melted skin like look. After I get the wig on my head, I position it and place it exactly where I want to lay it. Y'all, the only thing I did was place the wig on my head. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, like I just had to pause my music. Like this can't be real right now. Like what? And then the lace so invisible. Y'all, like I didn't have to do nothing to this wig. Like everything is done. Like yeah, let's finish. As y'all can see, I was real surprised by this wig. It was already looking like it was on my hair and all I had to do was cut the lace off. Me personally, I'm starting to realize I do not like actual glue on my forehead, so instead I like to use even spray. I spray the even on my hairline and I let it dry, not all the way, kind of like a tacky consistency. With using even spray only, you have to make sure you repeat this step 3 times to make sure it holds, or else it will not hold and it will probably just slide off. Now it's time to lay the lace. I like to start in the middle and work my way towards the sides. With this step, you really have to be careful and make sure you place it exactly where you want it. It all goes down. She down for me. It all goes down. Mel with her. Mel with her. Yeah, yeah. Mel with her. Yeah, yeah. Mel with her. Yeah, yeah. Mel with her. I like to take my comb and dig into my hairline to really get in there. I've been educated and the clients pay the payment. She don't need a template. I've been stripped like damage. It's just strip like every week. Cause we burn out how we know. It's the life that got no limit. My piece that can be pimped out. I go out in town. It's like the nigga from the wild. It's not the nigga from the set though. It's like the hot and get go. Making
Real niggas know the real hit me. Real niggas know the real lick me. Feel all goes down. She down for me. Feel all goes down. Feel with her. Feel with her.
Next, I like to take a wig band, preferably the skinny one, because that's what works best for me. I put it on my head and let it sit for about 30 minutes. The longer, the better. In the meantime, while I wait, I like to take my wax stick and push all of my hair back with the hot comb just to make sure all of the hair is out the way so we can prepare to cut the lace. When cutting the lace, I take my scissors and I cut into sections, one in the middle and two on the sides.
I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chances to chance. And I try to be strong.
Then I'll take my razor and I'll trim off the extra lace that I don't need, and I'll go in a zigzag motion so it won't look noticeable or like a straight cut.
And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
As y'all can see, we kind of got a white cast going around, so we have to melt the lace, and by doing that, I'll take a pressed powder close to my skin color and I'll put it on a makeup brush so I can add it to my hairline, and I'll go ahead and take out my baby hairs and hot comb them into a downward motion to get it separated from the other hair.
It's my mind and my soul, rest of your pride. Nigga, check your ego, so I left mine at the door. Just because I let it slide, drowning all of my emotions. I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put?
I feel like this is the most important step into melting, so I'll take some spritz and I'll place it onto my finger and let it dry down for a bit, and then I'll pat it into my hairline, but do not let it be too wet or it'll lift the lace. And then I put my band on and I'll let it sit for about 30 minutes. While the lace is melting, I'll take my wax stick and hot comb again, and this time I'll just focus on laying the wig flat and making it as nice and neat as possible. After about 30 minutes, I'll take the band off, and y'all, the lace is melted. Like, let's get into it for real. Now I'm going to be doing my edges and cutting off any extra lace that I need to get rid of, and just touching up the wig in general. After doing my edges, I'll just take some glosser just for a little bit of shine, add a little bit more life to the curls. Y'all cannot tell me this was not coming from my scalp. Like, I love it here. Overall, this is a very beginner friendly wig. I didn't have to do anything but install the wig. The lace was very thin. The 24 inches was given 26, maybe even 28. Very true to length. And honestly, I love everything about this wig. 10 out of 10.